We are pleased to join you. I'm standing here on behalf of my cabinet secretaries, Senator Mutahi Kagwe, who was not able to make it today, but he sends his regards. And he says that Beyond Zero Summit really is an important summit. It brings together policymakers, leaders, and key stakeholders in the health sector. And the ministry would like to take this opportunity to express its sincere gratitude for your championship for primary health care. Indeed, we can never reach universal health coverage goals without taking health closer to the people. And this year's Beyond Zero Summit objectives are in line with the Kenya Primary Healthcare Strategic Framework 2019 to 2024. And as we gather to review the latest evidence on primary healthcare investments, the role of nurses and midwives in driving primary healthcare is absolutely crucial. Your Excellency, as we reflect on the importance of effective primary healthcare on maternal and child health outcomes, we would like to take this opportunity to most sincerely appreciate the nurses and the midwives for their commitment and service in this area. Kenya has made a significant progress since 1978 when it comes to primary health care. And Your Excellency, some of the initiatives that have been taken place to strengthen primary health care include the Linda Mama program. This program has contributed to the increase in skilled birth deliveries. As an example, we've increased from 57% to 78% in 2020. And in addition, we see more mothers attending the first antenatal clinic by up to 18%. The Ministry of Health remains committed to ensure all Kenyans across the country access health, and we bring health closer to the people. As Governor has highlighted, a lot remains to be done. A lot has been done with county governments in ensuring that healthcare is more accessible for Kenyans. And of course, nurses and midwives serve as key service providers whose commitment to eliminate, amongst many things, mother-to-child transmission of HIV, promotion of maternal, newborn and child and adolescent health has been witnessed across all health facilities. And additionally, in the HIV program, again, we have made gains by ensuring that AIDS-related deaths have been reduced by 67% from the year 2013 to 2021. Your Excellency, the Beyond Zero initiative has made a major impact on service delivery for mothers and infants in the country. We are told you were alarmed by the statistics at the beginning of this journey, and we are glad to have partnered with you and to have contributed to now the reducing statistics when it comes to child mortality and maternal mortality. We have witnessed your commitment to this cause with love and admiration, the donation of the mobile clinics to counties, as well as supporting outreach programs that have promoted access to ANC and immunization services. Your Excellency, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of Kenyans to appreciate your championship, to say you are a true Shujaa, and to thank you for all the work that you've done over the past years in this program.